And I suppose Kaizer Chiefs fans are hoping this might be the change of fortunes as far as the league is concerned. Squad for tonight, so Gaston Sereno into the starting lineup.
It's a team that wants to attack. If you look at Dilepo, look out for the combination of Motsa alongside Mbundlela. There's Nkaki on that left-hand side. It is Mapangule waiting to pounce at the right moments. For Chiefs, of course, the confidence is high. If you look at how they've assembled themselves, they want to attack more.
So underway here at Soccer City. Ramabu here on the right-hand side with his pace is also going to be dangerous. Oh, a little bit of a mistake at the back there. They've let Polokwane City in here. Shot comes in and Peterson makes the save. Good effort from Amakhosi.
Took the opportunity. The good thing is that he got it on target.
We'll not forget in a hurry. We'll get to that in a moment too. He has the effort straight at Peterson. The rebound. They're all queuing up there at Polokwane City.
The defending numbers when they get the opportunity to attack and put the opponent under pressure. Polokwane City, you look at the numbers that they're having there in the box, they're able to match Chiefs, but the fact that they get the ball on target and making it difficult, Brendan Peterson, it's a real threat for Chiefs.
Fetching and carrying and prodding and probing on the edge of the area. Kambala from range. Just tipped over the top there. Sereno. Shabalala leaves it. Sereno to take it. Sereno floats it well over the top. I think that'll be in the country. Stellenbosch with Pili scoring against Magesi. Magesi actually beat them at home last season. Good shot from Lilepo. And Bwiri turns it away. Mundlela.
They gave him the space. That's the space that have been searching.
So delivery is high to the back post. Lilepo climbs above the defense almost out of nowhere. It was almost out of nothing. They would have been absolutely furious, Polokwane City, to concede this way, but it's a good strong header from the Congolese. He's been amongst the goals towards the end of the last campaign and again here at the beginning of this new season. Well, that's it for the first half. Referee Garza says we've seen enough here of the action. Your thoughts, Brian Marty, on the first 45? Ramabu gets it out wide and Cross will let this go away for a throw-in. Lobo. Lilepo, chance here on the edge of the area. Referee has a look, shot comes in, and Guide, to be fair, that's the first time he's had to make a diving save in this game. Lilepo's is switching over onto that left-hand side to see if he can get some traction there. What can Chiefs do here on the edge of the area? This is looking a little more promising. Chance at the back post. Frosler again lays it up. Goal! Pumped into the back of the net. Kaizer Chiefs with Ndlovu making his impact in front of the home fans.
Were they listening to us to say that they need to up the tempo, they need to be much more aggressive? The immaculately dressed dignitaries needed to celebrate. They dressed for the occasion, not to show for it. And they needed to do that, Chiefs. This man, Ndlovu. Of course, we talked Durban City. It was Maritzburg. That's where he used to be at some point.
Yeah, Maritzburg, and then Orlando Pirates on loan at Supersport United.
Yeah.
Had a good last couple of seasons in their colours.
They did. They kept it alive in desperate time.
And they'll be happy just to keep possession in these closing stages. That's it. Kaizer Chiefs have won a second successive league match, and they will be top of the table with Marumo Gallants after tonight.